Hi everyone. In this video we are going to solve a fractional equation for the value of x such that we are given a fractional equation involving x in the denominator, and denominator further involves a number of fractions in it. So in order to reduce these number of fractions into the simpler one, we have to take reciprocal of this equation on both sides, that is taking inverse of this equation on both sides, so the denominator will be shifted in the numerator and we will obtain an equation that consists of one less fraction in it. So we took reciprocal of both sides so that we have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x, that is actually denominator of the previous equation, and the right side also flipped such that the denominator is now in numerator 834 over 420. Now subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation so that we obtain 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x. That is, this equals to further now subtracting 1 from the right side of the fraction 834 over 420, which becomes 414 over 420. Again, there is a number of further fractions in the denominator of left hand side, so taking again inverse of both sides such that we obtain a new equation of the form 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x, and on the right side we flip the fraction, that becomes 420 over 414. Now again subtracting 1 from both sides such that we have a new equation of the form 1 over 1 plus x. Still there involves a fraction in this equation that we are getting now, and subtracting 1 from the right side, that becomes 420 minus 414 over 414. Now finally we take last time the inverse of both sides such that we have a new equation of the form 1 plus x only, and this is equals to 414 over 6. Now again subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation so that we exclusively find the value of x, that is 408 divided by 6. That is 4 over 8, 408 divided by 6 is equals to nothing but 68. Thus the value of x is nothing but 68. Hence we have solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next.